Hello students, welcome back to our English class. I hope so. Everyone are good and safe. Yes, in today's class we are going to learn grammar syllables. Are you all ready? Yes? Okay. At the end of the class, you will be able to use appropriate words and phrases, use appropriate function, marks and capital letters, classifies and discriminates the structural item presented, recall the structural item presented. So you will be able to use appropriate punctuation mark and capital letters. Yes. So now we will learn about syllables in detail. So what does the word syllables mean? Yes. A syllable is a complete word or a part of a word with one vowel sound. Do anyone of you know what is a syllable? No? Okay, we will learn it. A syllable is a complete word or a part of a word with one vowel sound. Example, frog. See, in this letter, frog, here, which letter is a vowel sound? Yes, letter O is a vowel sound. So, here, the syllable lies a word with one vowel sound. Yes. So what is a syllable? A syllable is a complete word or a part of a word with one vowel sound. For example, frog. So first we will learn the vowel letters. So I think so you all know what is a vowel, isn't it, children? Yes. What are the vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U. I repeat, what are the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, and U. Yes. Now are you all thorough with the vowel sound? Yes? Okay. Next, we are going to see about consonants. So, when I say consonants, what does it mean? Yes, except the vowel letters, all other letters are consonants. See, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z are the consonants. So here, does anyone able to see the vowel letters? No? Yes. So except the vowel letters, all other letters are known as consonants. So what are the vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, and U. So except the vowel sounds, others are known as consonants. Yes. So now everyone are thorough with vowel and consonants. Isn't it, children? Yes. So now we will learn about syllables in detail. So if there is only one vowel sound, we cannot divide the word. So if there is only one vowel sound in a word, we cannot divide the word. So for example, cat. See, in this word, where does the vowel sound lies? Yes, it lies in between. So A is the vowel sound, isn't it, children? Yes. So here we cannot divide the word. Next word is dog. So here the vowel lies in between D and G. So here again we cannot divide the word. Why? Because here there is only one vowel sound. Yes. Next is fox. Again here there is only one vowel, so we cannot divide the word. Again mud. So here the vowel sound is U. At the last word, pan. So here the vowel sound is A. So examples, cat, dog, fox, mud, pan. So all these letters we have only one vowel sound. So if we have only one vowel sound, we cannot divide the word. Next, okay, now we are going to learn how to divide the syllable if we have consonants. Yes. So now we are going to learn how to divide the word if we have double consonants. Yes. So if the middle consonants are double, we divide in between the double. So here what they're selling in the middle, if we have double consonants, we divide in between the double. So for example, we will see one by one. So see the word rabbit. So here, what are the vowel sound? Yes, A. So A is the vowel sound. Yes, again here, see the consonants are double. What are the consonants? See B. So here we have double B. So if we have double B, then so we need to divide it in between rabbit. And again we have another vowel sound. What is the vowel sound? I. So we have double consonant, so that we need to divide it in between rabbit. So here the vowel sounds are A and I. And why we are dividing it in between? Because we have double consonancy. So we have double B here, so we are dividing it in between. The next word is puppet. So here see puppet. Here what are the vowel sound? Yes, U and E are the vowel sound. So why we are dividing it in between here? Because we are having double consonants in the middle. So what are double consonants? Double P. So puppet. So P-U-P-P-E-T. So puppet. So we need to divide the word because we are having double consonant. Yes. Next is button. So here again the vowel sounds are U and O. So again we are having a double consonant. So what are the consonant letters? Yes, T. So here when I say button, we are having double T in the word. So we need to divide it in between. Yes, so here it has been divided as button. Next is rubber. See, here again we are having double consonant. Yes, what are the consonant letters? B. Again here we are having a vowel sound. Yes, what are vowel sound? U and E. So if we have double consonant, what we need to do? We need to divide it in between. So we have divided it like this. Yes, the last word is kitten. So again here, what are the letters presented? Yes. So again we are having a double consonant. So if we have double consonant in a word, then we need to divide it in between. So see here the vowel sound is I. So here what is the rule? If we have the middle consonants are double, we divide in between the double. So if we have in a word, if we have double consonant, if the consonants are in the middle, then we need to divide it in middle. Yes. So that's how we have divided these words. See, all these words have middle consonants. Yes. See, rabbit, puppet, button, rubber, kitten. All these are middle consonants are double. Yes. So if we have one vowel sound in a word, we cannot divide the syllable. Yes, we cannot divide the word. Next, in the word, if we have middle consonants are double, then we need to divide it in between the double. Yes. So next, we are going to learn consonant between the two vowels, then divide after the first vowel. So here we are going to learn how to divide the syllable between the two vowels. Yes. So here they are given few examples. What are the examples? First word tiger. See here how they have divided it. Yes, here they are two vowel sound. Yes. Are you all able to find out the vowel sound here? Yes, what are the vowel sounds? I and E. So why they are dividing after the first vowel sound? Because in between we are having a consonant. Yes. Are you all able to see, children? So when we pronounce tiger, there are two vowel sound. What are those? I and E. So in between I and E we are having a consonant. So if we have like this, then we need to divide it after the first vowel sound. Yes. So next we are going to see the letter fever. So again here we have two vowel sound, isn't it, children? Yes, are you all able to identify the vowel sounds? Yes, see? Fever, F-E-V-E-R, fever. So here the vowel sounds are E and E. So between two vowel sound, we have a consonant letter here. So what is the consonant letter? V. So if we have in between consonant, then we need to divide it after the first vowel letter. So that's why they have divided here. The last is radar. So again here we have two vowel sounds. What are those? Yes, very good. So between two vowel sound we have a consonant. So if we have a consonant between two vowel letters, then we need to divide it after the first vowel letter. So have we all thorough with the syllables, children? Yes. So what they have given here? First we need to, yes. So first if we have a one vowel in a word, we cannot syllabify the word. Next, if we have two consonants in between, yes, then we need to divide the middle consonant. Yes. The last rule is if we have consonant between the two vowels, then we need to divide after the first vowel. So are you all thorough with the syllables? Yes? Okay. So last, if we have a word ends with LE preceded by a consonant, we divide before that consonant sound. I repeat, if a word ends with LE preceded by a consonant, we divide before that consonant sound. So here, first we will see the example. See, the letter turtle. So here, the word is ending with LE. So when the word is ending with LE, if we have a consonant before the LE, then we need to divide the letter before consonant. Yes. So have we done this right? See, before LE consonant is there and we have divided before the consonant. Yes. So if the word is ending with LE preceded by a consonant, then we need to divide before the consonant sound. Yes. See, like this, the other examples are also handle, circle, table. All these words are ending with LE. So before LE, we have a consonant sound. What are the consonant sound in the handle? The consonant sound is D. So when we say circle, here the consonant sound is C. Then when we say table, here the consonant sound is B. So if the words are ending with LE preceded by a consonant, then we need to divide before that consonant sound. So see, yes, so they divided before the consonant sound. Are you all thorough with this, children? Yes? Okay. So now we will see the book back exercises. Divide the words that have same pattern as the rabbit. So we need to divide the words that have same pattern as the rabbit. So, yeah, under which pattern it comes here? Yes, do you all remember it? Two consonants, yes. So, see here we have two middle consonants, button and kitten. So, here they have given us few words. What are those? Dog, button, sunset, sky blue, kitten, and turtle. So, the correct answers are button and kitten. Yes. I want everyone to mark this in your book. Next, write the word under the correct group and divide it. So here they have given us few words and we need to divide it under the correct group. So here we have words with one vowel sound. See, cow, man, dog and boy. So all these are having only one vowel sound. So here we cannot divide the syllable. See, the vowel sounds are O, A, and again dog O, boy O. So here the vowel sound is, we are having one vowel sound, so we cannot divide the word. Next is, see here we are having middle double consonants. Yes, rabbit, muffin, dinner, tennis, hammer. So here we are having double consonants. So we need to divide it in the middle. Muffin. See, we are having a double F. So double F is a consonant. Dinner. So here we are having consonants double N. Tennis. So here we are having double N. Hammer. Again we are having consonants double M. So if we have consonants in the middle, then we need to divide the middle consonant. Yes. Next is, see, raven, recent, and hotel. So if we have double vowel sounds in a letter, then we need to divide after the first vowel sound. So in the word vowel, see, yes, in the word raven, we are having A and E are the vowel sounds. So after the A, we have a consonant V. So here we have divided raven after the first vowel sound. See here, recent. So here we are having double E. So we need to divide after the first vowel sound. So E and E. So between vowel sounds we have consonant. So we need to divide after the first vowel letter. Yes. Next is hotel. So again here what are vowel sounds? O and E. So in between we have a consonant T. So we need to divide it after the first vowel sound. The last one is, yes, so L E. So if the words are ending with L E before a consonant, then we need to divide the word before the consonant. Yes, see, purple, marble, sample, table, all these are words ending with LE, and before we are having that a consonant, so that's why we are dividing the word before the consonant. See, purple, marble, sample, table. So before LE we have a consonant here. So if we have a consonant like that, then we need to divide before the consonant. Yes. So are you all clear with the grammar syllabus? Yes? Okay. Now you should be able to use appropriate words and phrases, use appropriate punctuation marks and capital letters, classifies and discriminates the structural item presented, and recall the structural item presented. I want everyone to syllabify the given words. The words are dog, kitten, table, purple, and recent. Kindly divide the given letters. Yes, dog, kitten, table, and purple are the given words for you to simplify. Yes. Thank you, children, for listening. Have a good day. I want you everyone to do your homework and submit it in the Google Classroom.